Hello folks, welcome to Paul Sherry RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Today I've got a Forest River Sunseeker 2015. It's on an E450 chassis. As you can see, we have many motorhomes down through here. And it's just the first row. But anyways, back to this Sunseeker. It's a 2015, low miles. It has one slide. It's a full wall slide. It is absolutely gorgeous. Has the awning toppers on it, of course. Has the backup camera, the side cameras. This has been taken very good care of, well maintained. As you can see, all the graphics are in great condition. So it's probably been stored inside. They're not weather cracked or faded. Look how nice this is, folks. It's a shame that it's sitting here. It should be out camping. That's what it wants to do. Look at this storage all the way through. More storage. See the graphics? They're in great condition. Up there you've got an outside TV. You just need to come in. I'd be more than happy to show you this up close. Give you a really good walkthrough. This is a nice motorhome, folks. Alrighty, nice big TV. This makes into a large bed. You got your backup camera right here. Interior's in great condition. Has under 13,000 miles on it. Look how nice this is, folks. Lots of cabinets. Lots of cabinets. Lots of storage. And look at this refrigerator. Oh my golly gosh. Is that nice or what? Oh, an ice maker too. Folks, what you waiting on? You should be calling me. My number is 937-559-0702. Tim Crazy Martin. Let's see. Now, is that nice or what? Wow, I wish I had a pantry like that at home. Beautiful motorhome, folks. Just needs a happy new owner. Split bath. Now that is not the original mattress. That's a nice Serta mattress. Oh yeah, that's real nice. Once again, lots of storage, folks. Just what everybody needs. Yep, looks like this opens up too. Storage behind the TV. Of course, lots of hanging. Access to your plumbing. Skylight. Look there, folks, another skylight. Coat closet. Folks, call me. 937-559-0702. Tim Crazy Martin. Let's make a crazy great deal.
Shopping for an RV can be very difficult. There's so many makes and models to choose from. And how do you ever know if you're going to get a good deal on what you're buying? My name is Mike Sherry and I'm with Paul Sherry RVs. Our goal is to make your RV buying experience as fun and painless as possible, and of course, provide you with the best deal in the market. But don't take my word for it. Go online and read all of our reviews from happy customers of ours. Feel free to call, email, or chat into us with any questions you might have.